Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to share your location using Google Maps in 2026. Whether you want friends or family to track your live location or just send a pinned spot, this tutorial covers everything step by step. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that location services are turned on. Otherwise, the sharing option may not work properly. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Location Sharing. So this is where you can control who sees your live location. Next, tap the Share Location button. Google Maps will ask how long you want to share your location for. You can choose 1 hour, several hours, or even until you manually turn it off. After that, choose who you want to share your location with. You can pick a Google contact directly or send the link through apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram. It works pretty much the same on both Android and iPhone. Once you select the person, tap Share, and that's it, your live location is now visible to them in real time. They'll be able to open the link and track your movement directly on Google Maps. To stop sharing your location, go back to the same location sharing page and tap Stop. This instantly removes access for anyone you shared your location with. If you don't want to share your live location, you can also send a pinned location instead. Just press and hold anywhere on the map, then tap Share. This is perfect for sending a meeting spot or address without live tracking. And that's the full Google Maps location sharing guide for 2026. Pretty simple once you know where the settings are. If this helped you out, feel free to save the video or share it with someone who might need it.